Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see one SAP trick in FBL1N report. So when we go to FBL1N, in the bottom you can see in type, every time we have to select this checkbox like one by one. It's not coming by default. So if you want to make it by default selection, so you have to perform some changes. So go to transaction code SU3, press enter and go to parameters tab here. Enter this parameter FIT underscore X underscore AP and enter 5 times X. Then click on save. Now again go to FBL1N report, press enter, go to the type selection. Now you can see here all are coming by default. So by this way we can make the changes in FBL1N. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.